I am Echo D. Abalos, and I will explain my program called Student Course Registration System in Java. So, the purpose of this program is to collect and display student and course information using classes, object, constructors, and scanner in Java. So, first, we have student class, which stores the student information like student name, student ID, and program. It also has constructor to initialize the data and method to display the student details. Next, the course class, which stores the course code, course title, and units. It also has constructor and a method to display the course information. Then then in the main class, we we use scanner we use scanner we use the scanner to ask the user to input the student and course detail, and after that the program creates object and display the registration information. So so basically, this program demonstrate how 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 Java uses classes, objects, constructors, and user input to build a simple registration system. So thank you guys for watching.